Bless you. Looks a lot better, right? I mean, I don't think it actually looks like that in the camera, but it looks better for us to see it.
I waved at you.
Oh, the guy waved. Gotta wave back.
You're racist. You're black. You gotta wave back.
Oh my goodness. Do you know there's Pizza Hut over here?
Isn't Pizza Hut the one you guys do work for all the time?
We do all the work for the Pizza Huts in Brevard County. Because, you know, we're a reputable service.
One time when I was still in my truck, it was like a red light at a thing, and it was dark out. And I saw like a little left turn that I just cut through a parking lot. I didn't realize there was like an island curb thing, and I went straight over it. I remember one time I was talking to Sydney, and she was like, "If regular vlogging and it makes you mad, just yell."
We're gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts right now.
Like a third contact today?
I would like to get a. Joe, do you think life would be easier if you were just famous?
Yeah.
Why?
Not you really have to do much.
True. Man, I don't know if I could ever trust somebody that acted. I wouldn't be able to trust anyone that's ever acted, you know? Like, how do I know if you're pretending to be somebody or if you're being yourself? Like,
No, you should have gone for an auto stabilizer. That's cheaper. A chicken. Put the chicken on the camera set.
so you're telling me we'll just get a roll of duct tape and a chicken and just walk around with a chicken?
Yeah. Early day.
No, not even close. Not even close.
Go faster. You can have an early day.
Yes, so we could all both get beheaded by a semi-truck.
Hey, make things a lot easier.
How would that make... What? What? Being dead makes it easier?
Yeah.
Joe,
It makes things easier.
yes. That's dark though, so we're gonna change the subject. This guy's got a bumper sticker that says, "How's my driving?"
Bad.
Joey, rate his driving. Give us a play-by-play.
I'll call. Get closer.
I can't. We gotta let this guy merge.
1-800.
What are you gonna say?
He's a bad driver.
How do you know he's a bad driver? You haven't even watched his driving.
I don't care.
What? So you're just gonna give... What if he gets in trouble for that?
I don't care.
You should call out and say he's a good driver. I bet they never get calls about someone being a good driver.
I'm gonna say he's a bad driver.
Then I'm
Brake
not...
check me 3 times.
I'm not driving. You're gonna get the guy fired.
Okay with me.
It's okay to get someone fired?
Yeah.
Man, you were like Jake Paul Jr. Isn't your girlfriend going to a band now? Foster the people. There you go. Foster the people without you.
Yeah, Paramore. It's like Paramore and Foster.
Paramore and Foster the people. Without Joe. He was really sad about it. He was telling me the other day, kind of upset he wasn't invited.
Why would I be invited?
I mean, I don't know. You were like, your girlfriend's going without you. Took me a bunch of her friends.
No.
And, you know, you're just going to be there by yourself. Hanging out at her house. Is her mom going?
No.
So why don't you go hang out with her mom? Something,
That's weird.
It would be weird hanging out with your girlfriend's mom.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't think it'd be weird hanging out. Just hanging out with her.
I mean, you just show up. I mean, you could bring her like a cake or something. You guys eat cake and watch Grey's Anatomy like all moms watch. Or maybe she watches soap operas. These are the days of our lives.
I don't know, whenever I'm there, they're always watching like Dateline.
Dateline NBC. Maybe you're on like some sort of catch a predator show. And Sydney's really like 16. And it's all undercover stuff right now. To Catch a Predator. Chris Hansen. Dateline NBC. Hey Joey, why don't you have a seat over here? Why don't you tell us what's in that bag?
Let the brush up on my alternative, man.
Stop
all
saying
like that
stop saying what after someone asks you a question. What? Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about now.
They all like that kind of music.
They all like indie bands and
Not like indie band, more like 90s, like, but like whatever they turned into now, I guess.
okay. Just coming out with a new CD. I know there's someone from the 90s coming out with a new CD. Oh, Guns N' Roses. They're coming out with a new CD. They all got back together. Yeah, they are pretty old. But they all got back together and
Are they making their songs in their wheelchairs with their oxygen tanks and everything? Slash.
do you think Slash is a good guitarist? Or do you think he's just really well known for
I think he's
top
well
hat,
known.
cool looking guitar,
I think he's more well known.
and a snake around his neck?
Yeah. I think
It's
he's
gonna be
more
me.
well known for
I can get a
his
snake and we'll vlog with snakes around our necks.
You don't even like snakes.
I don't like snakes at all. I have an extreme fear of snakes. One time, I found a snake in the yard. I was putting up Christmas lights with my sister. I pushed her down onto the snake and ran. I'm not proud of it. Yeah, don't mess with me and snakes. I'll leave you. This is the third time I've recorded this. We stopped at Publix. Get some Publix sushi. How do you like your food so far, Joey?
Good.
Let me show off your drink here. Joey got some bubbly. He says he likes it. I don't know if he actually does like it. But sometimes we don't eat until like really late. We work through lunch because we're really good workers. And then we get some time towards the end of the day where we do estimates and we get a little bit more freedom with our schedule. So we get a late lunch. Again, we're good workers. This is out of this one piece. Look how thick this is. Who the fuck eats sushi that thick? I've been using chopsticks when I've been playing video games to eat chips with. So I don't have to actually pick them up with my hands and get, you know, like Joey's greasy controller hands. Anytime I used to go over to his house and play video games on like his Xbox, this kid had the greasiest controllers. I mean, it was like he was eating Doritos and Mountain Dew and then just like sticking the controller in the Doritos bag. They were greasy controllers. Greasiest controllers I've ever seen in my life. The greasiest.
Here's me.
Public sushi, thumbs up. Better than most of the stuff we get, so I think that's about it for our vlog though. We're about ready to head home. Joey's got something he wants to tell everyone now. This is it, Joey. Zoom in a little bit. Give him something.